Namaste everyone. You're starting a YouTube channel, a podcast, or maybe you just want to stop sounding like you're talking through a tin can on Discord, but you don't want to spend a fortune on setup. I got you covered. This is Maono AU-A04. It's one of the most popular all-in-one starter kits on the market. But is it actually good or it's just cheap? Today we are covering the setup instructions, the sound, the build and the value to see if this is the right mic for you in 2026. Let's get into it. The biggest selling point here is the bundle. Most condenser mics require you to buy accessories separately. Maono just gives you everything at this price. At first it may overwhelm you with all the contents in the box, but it gets easier. It comes with the mic, a professional sound chipset with 192 kHz versus 24-bit sampling rate, the arm, a zinc alloy scissor boom arm, and the extras. You get metal shock mount, a pop filter, a foam windscreen and a 3 meters USB cable which has USB-C and USB-A ports. Basically it's a plug and play studio in a box. It feels surprisingly hefty for the price, mostly metal construction, which is a big win. Setting this up takes about 5 minutes. Watch this session closely so you don't miss anything. The clamp is sturdy, though you will want to make sure your desk has a bit of a lip for it to grab onto. Make sure you fix it tightly in the place from which the boom arm can be adjusted. Next, plug the boom arm into the table clamp. Tight the screw but make sure the arm can freely move around. This is how it should look now. Take the mic, fix the foam windscreen. By squeezing these two clips, insert the mic into the metal shock mount, a suspension cradle with elastic bands designed to hold the mic and absorb vibration like keyboard typing or bumps on the desk. This is a cardioid mic. That means it picks up sound from the front and ignores the back and surroundings. Make sure the M logo is facing your mouth or you will sound like you're underwater. Now screw this shock mount into the tip of the arm. Clip the pop filter into the lower part of the boom arm and bend the gooseneck so that the mesh is about 2 to 3 inches away from the mic. There is no defined perfect place for this, so you fit it as per your convenience. It's time to plug the cable and bind it to the arm as you see fit. You are done. This is how the final setup should look like. As I mentioned, it's a plug and play device. You don't need any additional softwares or devices. It supports Windows and Mac OS both. Let's see its function on MacBook. Once plugged in, you will see this under input device. Make sure it is selected by default. Jumping on to the main function, the voice recording quality. Following are some samples from the MacBook. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into CamCult. Now I'm recording this audio on my MacBook Pro with its own stock camera. Let me know how it sounds. And this is the original sound without the mic. And quickly I will switch to the microphone. Now I have switched to this condenser microphone. I am sure you will see some difference in the way you can hear the sound. I am uploading it as it is without any editing or any enhancement in the audio. Just the pure raw audio recorded by this condenser microphone. So as you can see, the microphone is facing me and there is a lot of background noise around. So basically it is designed to catch the voice coming only from the front of this microphone. It will basically suppress all the sounds coming around the microphone. Another exciting thing about this mic is it works with mobile phones too. You can record voice directly from the camera on both iPhone and Android phones. Hey all, now I'm recording this video directly on my iPhone. So as you can see here, fan is also running. You might hear some background noise here. So after this I will connect the mic and then record it there now. Alright, the mic is connected now. I'm sure you will hear some difference in the sound. So you will get a better sound when we are connected with this condenser mic. So still the background noise is on and we have a lot of background noise outside as well. Now let's look into some pros. One is the value. You cannot beat this price for the full kit. You get everything you need in one package with fairly good sound input. Build quality, the mic itself feels like it could survive a drop. Don't try it though. Parts are made of metal and feel sturdy and premium. When it comes to clarity, it's great for voiceovers and gaming. Don't expect to use this for voicing over Avengers Doomsday, it's just a basic mic. You can use the mic independently without boom arm, pretty convenient recording outside the studio. It's plug and play and works on all operating systems including mobile phones, comes with both USB-C and USB-A plugs. And as every product, it has its own downsides. There are no physical controls, there is no mute button or gain knob on the mic itself, so you have to control everything through your computer settings. When it comes to sensitivity, it picks up everything in an untreated room. However, as the voice itself will be dominant, you can easily isolate the voice with minimal compromise. To conclude, if you are a beginner streamer, a student or a casual podcaster, the Maono AU-A04 is made for you. It gets you 90% of the way to a professional sound for 20% of the cost. If you are a pro musician, you might want something with an XLR connection. But for everyone else, this is a win. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check the current price. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.